Hi, and welcome back to Chicago Car Club. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to be taking you around this 1970 Chevrolet Camaro RS 350. Kind of an interesting backstory. I believe this to be a true two-owner car. It has original metals on it. We've paint cage verified it, and we don't detect any body filler on the car, surprisingly. So. Car is super straight. It's been repainted, at least some of the panels. I would say it's substandard paint work. There's some blemishes in it, which you can see in our video and our pictures. We're going to do our best to point everything out that we can see here. It's a little damp outside right now, unfortunately, so we're going to wipe some of these spots. You can see here where the original paint is on the quarter. It's kind of spotted. We simply polished the car with wax, so we didn't do any deep buffing on it. That stuff might come out of there, it might not. But again, original quarters here, super solid. Really not much. I mean, there's your usual blemishes. Obviously, it's a 50-year-old car, but it's super straight front to back. It has some absolutely hideous wheel covers on it. Looks like a set of Corvette centers. But I don't particularly care for them, but it's in the eye of the beholder. This is a 350 two-barrel carb setup. We're going to take the car for a ride, kind of point out every little thing here. You can see on the very tip of the nose there, it's got a little bit of a paint chip. Try and point out the good, the bad, and make you comfortable as we can making a purchasing decision. As always, we encourage you to reach out by call or text or email. We can be easily contacted at 312-420-3696. You can see the vinyl top is in great shape. There's no real bubbling that we can see underneath it. Original quarters on the car, tires are in good shape. All the lights work. The panel fitment's really good. Again, we put a paint gauge to this whole thing, and on the lower edges, it's surprisingly between 4.2 and 6, which is impressive. So a lot of original paint on the car. Some stuff's been resprayed, but overall, super solid car. Original interior, this was originally a shadow gray over sandalwood deluxe vinyl interior, and the original interior is fully intact and looks great. You can see here the door cards are nice, normal fading that they do, and inside of the doors, under edges are solid, rockers are solid. Car runs out and drives really nice. It's got a two-barrel on it. We'll point out in our photos that the engine dates and suffix code line up fine. We don't see the VIN stamp on the front boss. Whether that was there and is gone now, we can't say, or we're just not able to read it. But based on the engine stamping, we know that this is a CNN block, which would make this for a 1970 350 two-barrel to a turbo 350 transmission, which this is. I'm pretty confident it's the original motor, but not seeing the VIN stamp, we just want to point that out. Dash is pretty good, a little bit of a bow in it, but not bad. It's not split. Glass is all nice. I apologize that it's so damp out, but we really wanted to get this car out to you guys as quick as we could. Consistent under the hood. Nothing fancy here. Power steering. Again, tuned nicely. It runs really well. Starts up easily. Doesn't smoke. And you'll see when we take it for a ride, it shifts through the gears great. Wipers work, radio works, lights work, odometer, speedometer, and tach work. So it's got quite a few things going for it here. We do see the brake light switches on. It's probably the trigger switch under the pedal. But I've got full sets of keys. Obviously bucket seats and console. Shifts through the gears nicely. Power steering feels really good. The car tracks nice and straight, and honestly, it got a tuned two-barrel, runs better than a not tuned four-barrel, so it gets up and goes just fine, and braking is nice and straight and confident as well. Take our hands off the wheel, get on the brake pedal. Stops nice and straight. This is a great driver. A lot of cool things. Obviously, being a split bumper is awesome. And you know, this being a Survivor, it's got 52,000 miles on it, which we're confident are original based on the. Again, we're going to get the car up in the air, show you the underside, nice and solid. And again, please do not hesitate to call or text 312-420-3696. We love having cars like this. We love passing these on to the new owners. And got it up in the air here with some lights under it, so it's a little bright, but you can see lower edge of the panels are nice and solid and dry. The rockers, the trim. Really, other than some blemishes in the clear coat, which is looks like it's got some nibs in it. You know, the paintwork could likely be corrected with a wet sand, but I want to point it out. It's got a couple scratches, like we said, but all in all, it's a super straight, super solid car that hasn't been boogered with. A lot of these cars have been torn apart or modified, or they're tribute cars and whatnot. I mean, this is a true to form 70 RS, and it's pretty awesome. We don't do much to the underside. We don't spray bomb them. We like to show them as they are. They rusted. They got surface rust and oxidation when they were brand new. So no harm, no foul in showing you exactly what we see here. But you can see everything's super solid front to back. A little bit of crumbling around one of the rear boxes by the weep hole, but nothing structural, just in that little hole area there. So you should be able to see that in pictures. But again, reach out anytime. Like and subscribe our page for more info, more cars coming up. We've always got cool things coming out of the woodwork, and we're happy to show them with you. We appreciate your time today and taking a look, and we look forward to speaking with you further. If you have any questions or would like to set up a visit. Thanks for watching.